OpenAI released ChatGPT in late 2022, and it quickly became one of the most widely used AI tools in the world. It's an AI that understands what you write and responds in a way that feels like you're talking to a real person. ChatGPT is especially popular for writing, answering questions, and summarizing content. Today, many people also use it for coding. One of the key reasons it stood out early on is that anyone, even without technical knowledge, can simply type a question and get useful, meaningful answers instantly. Now, ChatGPT has evolved even further. It can analyze images, understand emotions, and respond with advanced voice and conversation modes that adjust tone naturally. It also includes powerful image generation through DALL-E 3. One of the most exciting features today is real-time video interaction. You can turn on your camera and talk to the AI about what you're seeing in real time. This makes it incredibly useful for learning new things quickly and easily.
Midjourney is an AI tool that generates images based on the prompts you provide. Because of its high-quality outputs, it has become very popular among both designers and everyday users. Midjourney operates through Discord, and over time, it has released several improved versions. These updates allow users to create even more detailed and visually impressive images.
Stable Diffusion was introduced by Stability AI. It is an open-source image generation model, which makes it different from many other AI tools. Because it's open source, anyone can download it and run it locally on their own computer. However, it requires a system with a graphics card, and it tends to perform better with NVIDIA GPUs rather than AMD. For example, a card like the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB can handle it quite well. Since it can be used without paying monthly fees or even needing an internet connection, it has become especially popular among developers and advanced users. Because it's publicly available, a large community has built many custom tools and new versions based on it. For those who value privacy, flexibility, and independence from cloud services, Stable Diffusion remains one of the most important tools in AI image generation.
Runway is one of the leading AI tools in video generation. It can create short video clips based on text prompts or images provided by users. It also allows you to remove backgrounds and add visual effects, tasks that usually require a lot of time and skill. The latest version, Gen-3 Alpha, can generate highly realistic facial expressions, maintain accurate lighting and physics, and even give users more control over cinematic camera movements. Today, Runway has become a widely accepted tool among filmmakers and content creators.
ElevenLabs is an AI tool that can turn written text into highly realistic human-like speech. It allows users to clone existing voices, create new AI voices, and control aspects like speed, tone, and emotion. This tool is widely used for audiobooks, voiceovers, background narration, and YouTube videos. It's also helpful for people who have difficulty reading, seeing, or speaking, as well as in education. Voice cloning did raise ethical concerns in the early stages, but the company addressed this by introducing identity verification and clear usage policies. Today, ElevenLabs is considered one of the most advanced voice generation platforms available.
GitHub Copilot was developed through a collaboration between GitHub and Microsoft. It works as an AI coding assistant directly inside your code editor. As you write code, it suggests the next lines or entire blocks of code. It can also help complete functions, write test cases, suggest variable names, and even explain existing code. Because of its deep understanding of programming tasks, many developers see it as a smart assistant that significantly reduces the time spent on everyday coding work. Today, GitHub Copilot is one of the most widely used AI tools among developers worldwide.
Claude was released by Anthropic in early 2023. It is designed with a strong focus on safety, careful reasoning, and the ability to handle long documents and complex tasks. Claude follows its own set of principles, which makes it less likely to provide harmful or incorrect advice and more focused on giving safe, reliable responses. In my opinion, it's currently one of the best AI tools for writing tasks. With newer versions like Claude 3.5 Sonnet, it has become even better at natural writing and solving complex problems, gaining popularity around the world.
So, what do you think about today's video? What AI tools are you currently using to make your work easier? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next video.